Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going over to Canada and we're going to be doing for you some date squares. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. If you want to follow along, the shopping list is there with the list of ingredients and we're going to show you the ingredients what we're using for today. Right everybody, these are our ingredients what we're going to be using for today. We've got some brown sugar. We've got a lemon, just going to be using some juice out of that. We've got some salt and baking powder. We've got our butter. We've got some water. We've got our flour. We've got some oats. We've got our dates. And we've got our brown sugar. And we've got our bowl. You're going to need a spatula, a spoon and a sieve. And you're going to need a pot as well. What you're going to be putting your dates on first. So we're going to show you the process. Right, so we've got our medium to high heat on. We've got our pot. We're going to put our water into that. And we're going to put our small amount of brown sugar into that one. There's two amounts of brown sugar. The bigger one is for the pastry, so you want the smaller amount. We're just going to let that come to a bit. And to that, we're going to add our dates. So we're just going to leave this, let it come to the heat, and then when it starts boiling up, then we're going to let it go down till when it thickens up a bit. So we're going to leave that and come back to it. And then into our bowl, we're going to put our flour. We're going to put our oats. We're going to put our brown sugar. This is a quick recipe what you can do with the kids. And then we've got our salt and baking powder. So we're going to put those in. And we're just going to give that a quick stir in. And you're going to want a 9-inch or 8-inch baking tin or tray or whatever you've got. So you're just going to mix this in until it gets flattened out. Till everything's incorporated in. So I hope you're all enjoying our videos. Please remember when you go over to like, share and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. If there's something that you want to see us do, let us know. We are moving along now with the channel. As you can see now, we've reached the YouTube milestone, and we're looking to move up from here now. So thank you to all those who subscribed to the channel, who supported us through our first phase of the journey, and thanks to all those who are watching. But don't only just watch, subscribe as well. Right, now we're going to add our butter to that now. And this is going to be like a crumbly mixture. So this bit you might have to do with your hands, which I think would be a lot easier as well. So we've washed our hands, and pull up my sleeves a bit. I'm just going to get this in. So you're looking for a crumbly mixture. Meanwhile, we're just keeping an eye on our dates as well. I'm just going to crumble this in. So make sure you give it a good mixing in. So once we've done this, we'll come back to you. So we've got our dates to where we want them. As you can see, it's just thickening up a bit. I'm going to turn off the heat. Then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of lemon juice into that. So it's about a teaspoon of lemon juice. And don't bother write and ask me how do I know. I've been baking for a long time, so I know how to judge things a bit more. So that's our dates. So you want a baking tray, and you want your oven on, if you've got a fan oven, it's 175, which will be about a gas mark 3 to 4. So we're going to get some of this mixture and we're going to spoon it into the bottom. So you want about half and half. So judge that about that much. And then you want to flatten this down. Just making sure you've got everything level. If you see any cracks, just put a little bit more in there and just flatten it down. Right, so we got to that stage. Then we're going to put our mixture and spread it on evenly. So we've got it almost even. And then with our rest of sugar, the rest of our crumble mix, we're going to put that on top now. So as you can see, it's a nice, quick and easy recipe. One that you can do with the kids. Everything level now. And this is going to go in the oven for about 25 minutes. Right, so I'm going to put this in our oven now. When it comes out, we're going to show you what it looks like. Right everybody, so our squares have been in the oven for about 30-35 minutes. So I'm going to take them out now. And that's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So we're going to leave it to cool down now. Then once it cools down, we're going to cut it into squares and show you the rest of the process of it. So you need to let it cool down before you cut it into squares. Right everybody, so we've let our squares cool down now. So we're just going to cut it up. So I'm just taking one out so you can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. It's got a crumbly top and a crumbly bottom and your dates and that in the middle. So that's our Canadian date squares. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them, and hopefully we will like how our channels reach to the requirements now, we can interact with you a bit more. So I hope you like what you're seeing, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.